Hi guys, I'm going to talk about the Breeze 220 today. I wanted to show you its features. First of all, it's got 10-gallon freshwater, 10-gallon wastewater. It has a 220 psi pump. It has a heater. It has two LX motors. So it has a lot of features in this, but this machine is by far the best machine as far as cleaning carpet and upholstery because that pressure is matched with comparable heat and it just does an incredible job. So if you're looking for like the most powerful portable, this is it. And I'll also explain one more thing about this. So let's take a closer look at the switches. It has VAC 1 and it has the pump switch and then it has a VAC 2. But the VAC 2 is a choice between using the VAC 2 or using the heater. So if you go like that, then the VAC 2 is on. When you go like this, the heater is on. This is kind of what I meant. The machine already has so much power that it can't all fit in there because with two cords, it's still going to have extra power. So the way to use it is you use two vacs if you're going to go like say 100, 200 feet away. So like a long hallway or upstairs in a house, instead of carrying it up, undoing the machine, reconnecting and refilling everything upstairs, you just add extra hose and you can clean all of the upstairs. Just need to turn on the second vacuum if you need more vacuum. In the back, it has locking 110-volt cords so it doesn't pull out and cause damage to the inside wiring of the machine. And this is where the cool air flows from, and this is where the air that's sucked in through the motors exhausts from. And then there's also a vent in the front. Some of the other features on the outside would be these rivets. They're really made to hang your chemical jug and hoses, accessories. The wheels have locks on them in the front. So like when you're in the truck, you can just lock it in place so it doesn't move. That's pretty much the outside of the machine. Let's take a look inside. So it's got these quick release clamps here, which literally will take a second for you to open it. So over here, let me give you a little bit more in-depth. Water's coming in. The water goes into a pressure pump. The pressure pump is 220 psi. And then from there, it goes into the heat exchanger. The heat exchanger heats it up to 212 degrees, and then it sends that out to the front. These two are the motors for it, and they're connected in line. So first it comes from here, it goes into this first vac, then it goes into the second vac, and it exhausts outside.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.